Hi guys, welcome to tutorial race, and in this video I'm going to discuss about PHP PDO. So the question is, what is PDO? PDO is acronym of PHP Data Objects. It is an extension of PHP. It defines an easy interface for accessing databases in PHP. It facilitates a data abstraction layer for working with databases in PHP. PDO was introduced with PHP version 1.5. So the now question is how PDO works. The PDO works as a bridge between PHP and database server. So what is PDO? So how PDO works? PDO works as a bridge between PHP and database server. Normally there are three steps. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake here. So there are three steps followed in this. The first one is prepare statement. First, a prepare statement is written, and then bind params. The data is bind with bind params parameter, and then finally the bound parameter is executed and data set result is generated. Normally this bind param is used when inserting or updating the data. If there is any error, the PDO exception takes care of that. Now we will see the PDO patch. The fetch parameter shows how the next row will return to the caller. For instance, the PDO patch assoc returns an array indexed by column name. PDO fetch num returns an array indexed by column number, and the PDO patch both returns an array indexed by both column name and indexed column number. The default fetch style is PDO patch both. So now let's proceed ahead. To understand a practical example, below I'm going to use the country table example. Open PHP I assume that you have XAMPP or WAMP installed, and then open PHP and create a table called countries and insert 10 country names with their country code. So the database will be like this: ID, the table ID, name, country code, and population. So 4 fields will be there in country table. So let's open PHP and let's work with this. So let's write here localhost, then PHP localhost PHP myadmin. Then let's go to database. So we will create here PDO CRUD PDO. Okay, so this database is already created. Since you are going to use this for first time, so just write this name and then create, and database name will be created in the left side. You can see here. So in my case, CRUD PDO. Here you can see CRUD PDO. So this is the database name. Okay, so inside that, let's click here, and then inside that we will create a table called country, country. Okay, so there will be 4 fields, right? ID, country ID, name, country code, and population. Or so population. So click go, and then here will be ID, then AI auto increment, primary key, then name, and then name will be varchar 255, and then country code. So varchar, so country code will not be very long, so it's better just keep 10 character, and then here will be population. Okay, so it'll be integer. Now let's click on save. So now our this country table is created, with this field's name. Now let's insert 10 country name manually here. So it'll be India, IN, population, anything. I'm just giving randomly, not the true one. So insert another company, which is Bangladesh, BD, then population, maybe something, insert name, Shaitan, PK, population, then China, CH, insert Bhutan, BT, Sri Lanka, SL, I don't know. Insert USA, then USA, their population, Canada, CA, so how many countries have entered so far? 8. Let's enter 2 more. Australia, EU, Brazil, BR. Oh, I forgot to enter population. Okay, so these are the records which I entered manually here. Now we will create a page here. It's PDO class object. So inside PDO, let's create PDO intro. Okay, PDO hyphen intro inside PDO. So this one is select. First we'll see select.php. So now, okay, so here this is the syntax. So this is the connection string, and then DSN database connection name here, and then root is username and password, and then we are, this is PDO class. Okay, so we are creating an object, this PDO object, and passing argument DSN username and password. So here in place of database or database name is, let's check here, CRUD PDO. So let's keep the name CRUD PDO. Okay, then localhost, it's localhost, that's why the username is root and password is blank. In case you're working on server, then you need to pass this username and password. And then here we are writing query PDO, then query select star from country, then statement here fetch all. then PDO fetch num. So let's see, then for each $rows, so let's write here print, then here slash colon, then print underscore r. $row. Now let's run it here. Localhost PHP class object, then PDO, and inside PDO there is PDO. Let's check in the PDO. Now this one PDO intro, right? Folder name is PDO intro. So this is my folder structure. Okay, htdocs, then PHP class object, then PDO intro. So select .php. I've created this path inside this. Now let's go to here, and then in the browser let's type this. So select .php. So you can see it is displaying 0123 0123. Why? Because the index it is displaying is in number. The region is, we have used here fetch num, here fetch num. Now so it is displaying here numeric key, right? Here 0123 numeric key. But if we write here fetch PDO fetch assoc, that means this will fetch the result and display in associative array. So what does that mean? It will display the key as well as value, so field name as well as value. So save it, and here refresh it, you can see the difference. Now in the key it is displaying the field name, and in the right side it is displaying value, key value. So that's the difference. Okay, and if you write this one PDO patch both, then it will return number as well as index. Let's go here and replace this with both. Now refresh it, and you can see it is displaying number as well as name, number as well as name. So that's the difference between PDO patch number, PDO patch assoc, and PDO patch both. Okay, so hope you understand this. Now the next topic is PDO parameter binding. So we will cover this one in the next video. So for the time being, in this video, that's it. So don't forget to subscribe and press bell button. So thank you for watching.